so loud. Two each.
Can I join?
Join already.
Oh, okay, I'm sure. We need a quick chemical from no coffee. This is our trying isaw, huh? Isaw is a Filipino food. What is it called? Isaw. Hello, we're eating the food. Enjoy
Isaw.
the isaw. Like barbecue of vinegar.
I'll finish it. Wait.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you. Okay, thank you so much, sir.
This is soup.
This is porridge.
This is part soup.
Salamat, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Sir.
Sit down.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Let's mix it now. Sit down, sir. It's hot, careful. Kuya, careful, you blow it because it's hot. It's hot. Okay. Then this one. Right. Alright.
This is the best porridge ever now. Our vlog is of Montanar's family. We made our channel. The new profile of Korean restaurant.
Not your Filipino restaurant. Do like this as I'm doing so that it will not be so much hot.
Yeah. So hot. Let me try to blow this one. Getting ready. Guys, this is so hot. Yeah.
Some chili for you.
Can I want some?
Hot and spicy.
I want it. Wait. I want the red hot chili pepper, please. Let me try to mix it. No, but I don't like the egg. Here you go. Ooh, so delicious. Here you go. Let's go. Let's go. It's really hot this time, right? We've seen that before.
You like it?
Yeah.
Why do you like it?
Yeah.
How about you, Liz? You like it?
Yes.
Why do you like it?
Because it's our first, because it's our first time trip in the Filipino restaurant, right? This is our vlog day.
No, not the first time in the Filipino restaurant.
Starting in part 2.